be sweet if Duke's wanted to sponsor Duke's. Some mayonnaise. Gotta make sure you get all that shit. Oh yeah. It's like a poor man's tzatziki sauce. This recipe is called turkey kebabs with the Sam Howard special. Who is my old turkey hunting buddy, who is Lebanese. He taught me how to make this mayonnaise slaw, and it goes great with wild turkey and rice and potatoes. And the trick is, you come in here and you get you some of your pieces of turkey. Oh, and you want to slice them up nice and thin, like that. This is like a take on some old style Lebanese gyros and kebabs. Get you some onion in there. Make sure you get your onion now. Cut it up to if you want. Red onion. Get you a nice pile. A little more turkey. Alright, then get your pita. Get your pitas up. Up. Now you can use your hands here. Come in here and some rice in there. Some of this salad we got. Put that turkey in there. Onion, pepper. Woo! Like a little sriracha on mine.